Hello, Internet, and thank you very much for tuning into the Cloud Native FM podcast. You're watching Cloud Native Wisdom short video series, and this series is dedicated to Kubernetes forensic or troubleshooting with Inspektor-Gadget. So, Qasim, another question for you. I know you have a wonderful use cases around Inspektor-Gadget. Some of the community member customer already been using it quite extensively. But some people are asking if I have a Prometheus, Grafana, I have some, let's say, OpenTelemetry in some cases. I have some networking troubleshooting use cases for as well, looking some Cilium related networking configuration already been set up. If those all of the things available in my cluster, what are my needs for Inspector gadgets?
Yeah, I think that's like a very good question. So I think when we were building Inspektor-Gadget, the idea was that to have like a framework which allows you to collect the metrics you want. So sometime you have all these different tools out there in your stack, and they're missing this one matrix that's not there. And what you have to do is that then upstream that to their solutions, and then finally you have the metrics there for things. What we have with Inspektor-Gadget, you have these gadgets which are flexible. You can build them and you can collect the metrics you want them and then push them and then run them directly. So you don't have to install new Inspektor-Gadget version or something. You can just create your own gadgets and collect whatever the data you want. So that's kind of what is the most powerful thing about it. And all this data is like enriched with Kubernetes information. So that's what makes it so powerful, that it's flexible, yet it's powerful.
Absolutely, 100%. Because I think in Kubernetes, the way we actually collect data from the developer, the way that developers collect data from the Kubernetes is kind of a really frustrating because it's change between the teams as well. So if you have a gadget, you can actually share this data across the team as well, and you can build the gadget in terms of your regulatory setup. Let's say you want to know how much of the call been happening between the kernel and some of the hardware, some of the file transfer layer, or some of the networking TCP dump layer. We don't have those kind of capabilities anywhere unless we introduce Inspektor-Gadget into our system. So that's a really wonderful piece in the stack. And I think modern regulatory setup need those kind of capabilities as well. But tell us, guys, what you have been wanted to see in the Inspektor-Gadget, how you actually transforming your Kubernetes need with Inspektor-Gadget, because we'd love to hear your thought as well. Thank you very much, Qasim, for all the way joining me from Germany. It's always fun to talking with you around these wonderful, cool topic. Have a wonderful day, everyone.